Difference between mixture and compound. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our 100 of conceptual lectures for free. Now, what are the differences between compound and mixture? Well, when two or more than two elements are combined together chemically, it is known as a compound. For example, hydrogen and oxygen are elements. When they combine together chemically, they form a compound commonly known as a water. On the other side, when two or more than two substances combine together physically, it is known as a mixture. For example, table salt NaCl and water H2O are compounds. When you dissolve table salt in the water, you get a mixture. Similarly, copper and tin are elements. When you physically mix copper and tin, you get a mixture, also commonly known as alloy. Secondly, in compounds, particles lose their original properties. For example, hydrogen and oxygen are gases. But when they are combined together chemically, their original properties change and becomes a new substance or water. In mixture, particles retain their original properties. For example, when you add some pebbles to the water, both the pebbles and the water retain their original properties. Thirdly, compound always has homogeneous composition. For instance, you cannot spot the particles of oxygen and hydrogen in the water. On the other side, mixture has either homogeneous or heterogeneous composition. For example, you can spot both pebbles and water in this mixture. Fourthly, components of the compound cannot be separated by any physical method. For example, you cannot separate hydrogen from oxygen in the water by any physical means, while components of the mixture can be separated by physical method. For example, you can separate pebbles from the water by filtration. Fifthly, every compound has its own chemical formula. For example, chemical formula of the water is H2O. While mixture doesn't have any chemical formula. For example, sugar solution has no chemical formula. Sixthly, compound has fixed composition by mass. For example, in a single molecule of water, there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. If you increase the mass of oxygen atom, for instance, you add 1 more oxygen atom, it becomes H2O2. This is not a water molecule. It is now a molecule of hydrogen peroxide. On the other side, mixture does not have fixed composition by mass. For example, in sugar water solution, you add either small or large amount of sugar. In both cases, you get a mixture. Finally, compound has fixed and sharp melting point, while mixture does not have fixed and sharp melting point. This was all about the difference between mixture and compound.